Hi, I'm John from MarineMax Kent Island, and today I'd like to take you through a brand new 2023 Scout 175 Dorado. Got a 115 horsepower Yamaha on the stern for plenty of power, and you'll see the ski tow bar here too, so you got the power to do tubing and skiing behind the boat with those family members. Back here on the starboard quarter, you've got a storage compartment where you have your battery and battery switch. On the port quarter back here, we have the same size compartment, which is a live bait well with an aerator and overboard self-draining. Really nice feature. Center line, you've got a bilge access to where your bilge pump are and a lot of your machinery and pumping equipment. You've got two rod holders, one on starboard, one on port. Your captain and co-pilot chairs, they will swivel and they will also roll forward and back for different size folks, no problem at all. Lumar steering wheel with your quick spin. It's also tilt. Also on your dashboard here, you've got your Fusion radio head, Yamaha instrumentation, and you've got your trim tabs here, Lenco trim tabs as well. All your switches for all of your lights, nav, horn. On the port side here, you've got a little glove box. You'll see cup holders throughout as well as handholds. Connected to the Fusion stereo head, you have 4 Fusion stereo speakers throughout the boat. Moving forward past your nice strong center consoles here with a dual console split here, you've got 2 chase lounges. Underneath these, lots of storage underneath these. You've got a big self-draining storage compartment both on the port and starboard sides. Moving a little farther forward, we've got a large storage area in here. It also has your stern light / anchor light, which connects back on the transom there when you're underway at night or anchored. Nice seating area here, and then you also have your anchor storage and anchor road storage all the way up forward. LED anchor lights, and then you've got a wraparound bow rail here for a lot of security for the kids. So if you have kids riding up here, be rest assured that they have a good strong handhold here to hang on when you're out on the boat, and it gives them a sense of security to sit up forward here. We've got a nice large bimini top here to provide plenty of shade while you're out on the water. This is the 2023 Scout 175 Dorado at MarineMax Kent Island. Love to see you all come down. Hope to see you.